Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about easy faucets to start with Bitcoin and Dogecoin. If you are still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. And let's get started with today's video without wasting too much of your time. If you want to make some extra money or cryptocurrency, you can start with that, which is easy and doesn't require real work. There is no risk because you don't have to put anything into it and you can stop whenever you want. So here's what happens. 1. Sign up for a free bitco.in account. 2. After making an account, sign in. 3. If you scroll down to the bottom of that page, you will see a button called Roll that you can click once an hour to win anywhere from 0.2 cents to 200 US dollars based on the current price of Bitcoin. 4. If you want to make more money, get as many referrals as you can because you will get 50% of all the roles your referrals do. 5. The share option on the refer tab lets you give your referrals some of your earnings to encourage them to be active. So that's pretty much it. There are more ways to make money on this website than what I showed you. There is CPU mining, lottery, contest, but this is the main way. You can even bet all of those coins on the site itself, which I would advise you not to do, by the way. Also, there is a similar website that works the same way, except that you get Dogecoin instead of Bitcoin. And if you follow the same steps as said earlier, you can also start making money there. The first note is that these faucets are real. If you are still not sure, you can look up reviews online. When you reach the withdrawal threshold, around $1, you can get your money in 6 to 24 hours, depending on how busy the site is. The second note is that if you want to make a lot of money, you will need a lot of referrals, but it can be done. So have fun earning and making lots of money. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.